What the world needs now is innovation like we've never seen before. And we need it fast. I mean, way fast. This is a race against time, one without a finish line or the promise of a victory lap. The road ahead remains unpaved and unpredictable. But one thing is certain, we must kick it into high gear for humanity's sake. Let's start it up. Over the past 10 years, EIT Climate-KIC's accelerator program has been Europe's engine for climate solutions. Now it's time to push the limits with the world's premier program for cleantech startups, ClimAccelerator. Introducing a global platform where entrepreneurs, partners, local governments, and industry experts join forces to innovate, catalyze, and scale the power of climate solutions. We are fast-tracking innovation, turning cleantech ventures into scalable businesses, and harnessing the power of human ingenuity to drive rapid impact and unlock a net-zero, resilient future for all. Electric airplanes, edible packaging, meat alternatives. Over 500 products and services are being brought to market at full speed with the support of ClimAccelerator. And things are just revving up. The fast lane to destination 1.5 degrees starts here, and we're ensuring a rapid transition to zero-carbon technologies at every turn. It's time to unleash the world's innovation potential and scale towards true industry transformation. The countdown to a climate-positive new normal starts in
3, 2, 1.
Join us for the ride.